Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great again, countryman. Remember, if you like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, me not hear from you. What's going on? Me not hear nothing from you, baby. Country boss, silent, nuclear. Big up on yourself, dog. TRINIDAD. Yeah. Remember the big bad Patreon page there. I don't know what for put on it, but me I go find something for put on it. Silent, link me up. Give me the big bad footage. Alright? Yeah. Look at the screen in front of you. That is Mr. Shorto. Him a the man may get arrested for slap with Sandman down in Trinidad. Remember Sandman? About 8 to 13 man driving a car. Them put a police siren on the car. Drive go up there and then slap where the bodyguard them Sandman and them woman. Them drop off the youth here at the hospital. And as so comes police hold on for him. And then remember me do the video on Dole. A Kinney Dole. Now him get slapped with after Sandman. So out of the whole of them, the youth here are the only youth where leave. Now, may I tell you the story behind him. Follow the equation. Now, Shorto are the youth where him used to ride with Sandman. Everything when Sandman a do, him involved in it. When them man there make certain move, go Venezuela and them place there, and him deal with certain things. And him also hang out with Dole. So him is a youth where pretty much one of them man they will know all of the top player them. But him and Sandman used to run tight. It happened that him and Sandman had a falling out. And the falling out was about him a thief out the food. Because when the man them get the food at him, I deal with certain things. And every time the man them get the food missing or money missing. Let's move on. After Sandman find out where man do, the man them draft him up and beat him and do all sort of things to him. But the man them never fling him with them, should have fling him with that straight up. And that a Sandman mistake with that youth. If I did me, would have fling him with me, not care. I can't say anything you don't want to say about countryman, yo. But one thing you don't do, you don't beat man. Because I know a story out of Catburn Pen. And the same thing happened to one a bully than them. You don't beat man and let them go down when them do certain things. You understand? If you ever do a thing, you do it. That are just so it go. That are anything you do. But them let him go. And when them let go that youth you know, them go link with Dole. Fast forward, them go for Sandman. Him get touching it with a grains and the hospital and them lock him up. As so comes him still alive. Everybody else where that gets slapped with. So now through him alive. And him know all of the link them, because him know do all them link. And him know Sandman link. And him there workhouse. You understand? Him a run things now. So that youth here, right here so, when you see, him are one of the biggest down with the Trinidad right now, and him a run everything from workhouse. You understand? Him a run everything from workhouse, and him a run things. So I just want to update, because I said I go do a story on the youth here. So I just want to update the public and make them know who are one of the big man. Because Berkey dead, Dole dead, Sandman, all of them. So the youth here, him smart, you understand? And the reason why they never get him, the lawman them, I'm true in the hospital, him smart. So they need to have him underneath police guard in the public. But him end up run things and I run the Rasta City crew and thing. And he might do everything and he might make big money from prison. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. And check out the Patreon page, the WhatsApp group, Country Squad, and one more videos coming. We have one from Jason Sankara, a big time hustler. In get fling way. We're going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about more. We have a new video with the man with their workhouse, Rasta City man with their workhouse. I put that up too. So there's a lot of things coming. And like I said, help me with the Patreon page, because I put up some exclusive clips up there. Countryman, I'm out. I forgot to do a recap. But let me tell you something about this guy that I forgot to tell you. He is going to be the Sandman thing and gonna walk out of jail scot-free. There is nobody there, there is no witness, everybody gone. And he got money to fight the case. And you know enough people, the lawyer them, the judge, the lawman them. So that's what I wanted to reassure and let people know. Actually say and let people know. Yeah, I could use reassure. That word can describe what I'm saying. That this guy is gonna walk from jail. Once again, my name is Countryman. Like, share, subscribe, and check out the Patreon page. Peace. Love everybody, all the subscribers.